Rivet Nut Setter Harbor Freight Edition. Interchangeable tips and sizes. Riv nuts mushroom from the back with the pressure, giving you the capability to bolt on the front side. This new liftgate had 6 of them that needed to be reinstalled. Simply find the correct size and screw it onto the tip. Set it nice and flush and bring the handles together. It will loosen on its own. I screwed it back in and gave it one more squeeze to assure proper installation. Then you just unscrew it and you're good to go. For $40, I'd say it's a hell of a tool.